In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to template tasks in ClickUp use automations to standardize your process. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up consistent tasks in seconds and let your workspace's automations do the heavy lifting for you. Make sure you're logged into the right workspace and think about which space you want to use so your process lives in the right place. First, open ClickUp. You can use the web app or desktop app. Either way, head straight to your workspace home so you can see your sidebar with all your spaces, folders, and lists. Next, click on the space where this process should live. The space you choose matters because things like statuses, custom fields, and any space-level automations you've already set up will apply to tasks created there. Picking the correct space from the start helps your template behave consistently across your team. Now, look for the plus icon to create something new. You'll often see this near the top or in the task area. Instead of starting from a blank task, we're going to use a template so the structure, fields, and expectations are ready to go the moment the task is created. From the Creation panel, click on Templates. This opens the Templates browser. Here you can explore existing task templates available to your workspace. If your organization already has standards, you'll likely see them here. Templates save tons of time because they can include descriptions, checklists or subtasks, custom fields, and even default assignees and priorities. Choose a template that best matches your workflow. You can usually preview what's included so you know exactly what you're getting: the task layout, any pre-filled details, and the status path. Look for cues like naming conventions, required fields, and subtask structure that make handoffs clear. Selecting the right one up front helps your team work faster and avoids rework later. When you're ready, click Use Template. Confirm where the task should be created and let ClickUp do the rest. As soon as the task is generated, your space's automations can kick in. Things like auto-assigning owners based on status, setting due dates relative to the creation date, or adding watchers and tags. This is where standardization really pays off. Every task starts the same way, and the system keeps it moving with minimal manual work. A quick tip as you wrap up: keep your templates clean and specific and give them clear names so teammates pick the right one. If something changes in your process, update the template once instead of fixing tasks one by one. That's it. Your standardized, automation-friendly task template is ready to go.